Hello everyone, so welcome to the Altium Designer tutorial, and today we're going to talk about how you can create a grouped antipad. So why grouped antipad? Because you know that each of your VIA has their own defined antipads. By the way, don't care about the warning or anything like that, I was just playing around. So you know that each of the VIAs have their own antipad, and you can definitely see that in the 3D view. So if you go to the 3D view, and you can see like the antipad is right there, like the holes that you can see, small tiny holes around here. And if you go more down, you can see, like, here you go, the round shape. It's not, I don't think it's a hole or something, but it's an area where you don't have the copper. But most of the places it looks like a hole, because if you consider it as a hole, you also have to have the drill for the whole board. So in my knowledge, I don't consider it as a hole. Whatever. So now the question arises: how can you create an antipad that covers the whole thing, the two of the differential via? And that's very important in some of the high-speed design where you really want to deal with some kind of capacitance and inductance, stuff like that. Having two antipads definitely increase it, and having a large antipad for two differential via definitely decreases it. So we're just going to think about how can you do it. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to go to your internal ground, and this is a little bit tricky stuff. So in your internal ground, which is basically defined as a plane, you know that it's going to be copper pour around whatever they want to do with the fabrication. Now we want to create a negative effect on that one. And how can we do it? We're going to go to the design, as you can see on the corner, and we're going to go to we're going to go to place, my bad, and then we're going to go to the solid region. So now if you create a region, it's going to create a slice of your board where is kind of creating a negative effect. So it means that it's not using the copper of that portion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, come here, stop, and I want to have other way. Here you go, other way, and space, other way, and here you go. I don't know why it just popped up. Alright, this is the shape I want for my two differential vias as an antipad. Now if I go to my 3D view, now you can see that it has a space already cut out, but that's my bottom layer. But if you go to my second layer, you can see, like, definitely is cut down here, right? So I'm not sure if in the 6-layer other board you have to do it for 2-3 times, but I have only done once and it worked for me. So if you want to do it again some other layers just for fun, or just to verify that everything is working, you can do that. But I just did for one on my ground, and it seems like working for my other layer as well. But that's how you can create an antipad for your differential via in Altium Designer. Thanks for watching, and keep tuning.